Hello everybody. Hey, here's the latest in my Alice in Wonderland series. It's Tweedledee and Tweedledum. In fact, they appear in Alice Through the Looking Glass, but there we are. As usual, it's based on the original black and white illustration by Sir John Tenniel. And Tweedledee and Tweedledum have come to mean a description of any two characters which are very similar in actions. The same but different, if you like. It's now common parlance for that. So in this picture we see Alice meeting them. Her size seems her proportion seems slightly smaller than usual, but it is right according to Sir John Tenniel anyway, faithful rather. And behind them is an umbrella. As before, I've put the glass to come forward, some nice details in glass like the umbrella and the grasses, and then behind is the unglazed ceramic which pushes back and allows them to come forward. Tweedledee and Tweedledum are one piece, one glass fusion, which is a bit risky because if one element goes wrong, one ingredient in the recipe if you like, then the whole lot's ruined. So I think it works really well. But would Sir John Tenniel think so?